Hey guys, Philip here from Philly 4D Coding, and today we're going to walk through the solution and solve the problem together for the file metadata microservice project from FreeCodeCamp as part of the backend development and APIs course. So let's get started. So we have to build an application like the one that they linked in the question. So you can choose a file to upload. You upload the file and it gives you some metadata information about the file. And that's it. It's very simple application. And this problem is actually very easy to do, very simple. It's just a matter of using the hint, going over to the Multer npm package and reading up on the package and basic example of how to use it. So first step, let's clone the replit. Okay, that's loading up. Okay, run the replit. All right, we have the replit loaded, so now we can get to work. So the first thing is you want to look at some of the documentation for Multer. So, okay, so if you scroll down a bit, it tells you here's how you can use Multer in an HTML form. So first of all, you need to have this parameter set to multipart / form data, and you also need the name of the file that you're going to access from Multer, which you can call anything. And then from there, you just you can just get the file with this upload.single command. So it's really is that easy. So we could probably just copy this code and paste it into our project. Index.js. Okay, let's just put this up here and we'll put that up there as well. Okay, so the route that we want to create, let's just check which route this uses. Okay, it's API / fileanalyse. Okay, now the thing we want to do here is we want to actually see what the name of the file has been specified in the HTML form that was already created. So we go over to index.html and this is the API and the name of the file is upfile. So that's what we want. So now that we have the name of the file, we can just put it in here. And let's test this out and see if it works. Okay, the app is running. Now let's try and upload a file. Okay. Okay, perfect. The file was uploaded and logged to the console. We logged the file information, which you probably can't see because of my head, but maybe if I return that as a response, we'll be able to see it. Let's give that a try. Okay, maybe the body part didn't seem to work, but the file is here. So anyways, this is what we have to work with. So mime type destination file name. Okay, and let's take a look at what we need to return. We need the name, the type, and the size. So let's do that. Name, type, and size. So the name, looking here, should just be file name. So it's rec.file.file name. The type is rec.file.file. I would say mime type seems to be what we need. And the size is just size. Okay, I think that's what we need. Let's give that a try. All right, let's upload this. Okay, name, type, size. All right, let's now test this solution. Okay, so it's just the size that didn't work. Size in bytes. Is this not in bytes? Let's see how different this looks from the actual solution. Sorry, I don't remember which file I uploaded. I think it was the first one. Okay, then no, the name. I think the name is what we got wrong. Okay. Okay, let's return all of the file information again so that we can take a look if there's a different field that we actually want. So original name, that's what we want. Okay, let's give this a try. Okay, that looks good. Let's test this out. Okay, there we go. That's it. That's the solution. Very simple and easy. It's just a matter of looking at the Multer package documentation, reading up on the basic usage and applying it. So hope that you found this video helpful. And if you like this video, if you want to see more, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.